Welcome back to the vlog. Let me turn this off. Welcome back to the vlog. I just want to show you real carbon fiber decals. I got this on eBay. You already know I'm buying almost everything from eBay, but I just want to show you. I buy this set from eBay, which you got all this right here. Now I'm gonna tell you this right here. When I ordered it, I told the guy I had two buttons here, you know, it was a Model A and Model B. And I told him straight up, but anyway, so it just came for one button right here. So I had to actually cut here, and I cut all the way from here, all the way up to here, so I could fit my two buttons, and then the light when it light up. So from far away you cannot tell, but if you look at it pretty close, you can tell like from here to here is like cut this part, so I can get this button out. This piece right here, I went crazy at it and I put it on, but mine actually got that leather in here. So if you can tell, you got that leather, but I wanted to use it, so I was like, whatever, I'm gonna put it with the leather, but still work. I can put it to the side for shifting, I can do everything and still work. So no big deal on that. I got these ones with this line from a separate seller. I got these ones, and I got these ones with the line from a separate seller. And then this down here, all these pieces here, and that piece, which it came with this for a button here, but I don't have that button. But anyway, this piece right here and all these pieces here come on the top. And then I got this here on the air conditioner, that one that I already showed you, this one right here, and then I got the air conditioner down the top, and all this here, and the same on the back. I got the ones on the back too, you cannot see it from here. But I bought this whole set from one seller, and then the ones that got the line I bought from a different seller. And I'm waiting for the one for back here. I'm getting one that it go back here and it cover all this, and then it got the same 3-line color here. It will have it on the back, so it will cover all these. It's like a whole piece. It will cover the whole back. So I'm waiting on that one, but I just wanted to show you how it look. I think it look pretty dope. I don't want to mess with the, I know I could have find it for here for the wood, but I don't want to mess with the wood. I like the way the wood look, so I'm just gonna keep the wood with the carbon fiber look, and I think it look pretty dope. I would like to get the carbon fiber overlay for here, but every one that I found is not a real carbon fiber overlay. It's just like a fake carbon, so I don't like it. I like this one because this one's a real carbon fiber. It's just overlay. I found ones for here, but they wasn't real carbon fiber. They were just a fake carbon overlay, so I don't want them. I want to try this, keep it the same with real carbon fiber. So let me see what I can do then later. But I just want to show you that, how it look. I think it look pretty dope. I think it gives life to the vehicle. Now I'm thinking, what should I do with this silver color? I was thinking maybe put like a vinyl, but at the same time I think it look okay. I think I can probably just leave it like that, silver. I was thinking putting like a blue vinyl on all the silver, like put like a blue vinyl. But then I'm thinking like it'd be like too much stuff inside the car. You know what I mean? Just to match this, like something blue, just to match this blue. Like I was thinking it just put like a blue vinyl. But then I think it would look like, kind of like, I don't know, like ricer. You know what I mean? So I think it look pretty dope the way it is. So I think I would just leave it like this. I think I probably done with the interior until I found these pieces in real carbon fiber overlay, and this one. I found this one, but I actually found the whole piece. I have to take this one out. I don't want to do that. I kind of want to like an overlay. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to take stuff out. But yeah, that's the video for today. I'll show you how it look. Oh, I got it down here too. Carbon fiber on there. I wish I can find the piece for here I haven't seen it, but I'm gonna keep searching. If I can find this piece, I'll probably buy it with the overlaying carbon fiber. And then this piece here, like the round, all the way around here, if I find it, I'll probably buy it too. But if not, I'm okay with the way it look right now. I'm okay. I like it. So yeah, that's the video for today. Man, I'm waiting on this. I'm gonna do another video because this piece broke. So I already ordered it. So I'm waiting to get here so I can put it on. But yeah, broke. I actually don't treat it like that. I treat it pretty soft. But it break. I don't know if it was break before and they glue it with like saliva or something, but it's gone. I want to show you. I just got this. They look pretty dope. Woo! To all my Puerto Ricans out there, dímelo. Anyway, that's the video for today. So until the next one, thank you for the subscribers, thank you for the support. Please hit the like button. Please hit the like button if you like the videos and you enjoy it. And all the viewers that watch my videos and are not subscribed, please subscribe. Let me show my. Please subscribe to my videos so I can keep uploading content and my videos keep being seen by more people. Please like the video. Please subscribe. It's free. It's free and it will help me a lot. I'm sorry that I keep bugging and saying it, but that's the life of YouTube. Subscribe and likes. Every time you get likes, you get subscribers, you get comments, your video, you know what I mean, it gets shown. If you don't get like, you don't get subscribers, your video don't get shown. Nobody see it. So anyway, until the next one, thanks for the new subscribers, thanks for the support, and I will keep you guys updated with the bill on the BMW. Oh, up here too. I got the carbon fiber up here too. We'll take the whole around area back here. Boom, boom, boom. I put this M Sport symbol on it. Let me move the car. I put this sticker right here, M Sport. This is the sticker that I bought for the calipers actually. So I'll probably do another video on that. No, I probably already put the video for that. Yeah, never mind. So there you go. Anyway, until the next one, man, be safe. You already know.